The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has issued a strong statement rejecting recent media reports claiming that their leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has forfeited his right to defense in his ongoing trial at the Federal High Court in Abuja. A more powerful IPOB spokesperson said these claims are false and part of a deliberate misinformation campaign. According to IPOB, no valid law underpins Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's prosecution. They accuse the presiding judge, Justice James Kolawole Omotosho, and the lead prosecutor of failing to cite any law that defines the alleged offense or prescribes punishment, which is a constitutional requirement under Section 36, subsection 12 of Nigeria's 1999 Constitution. IPOB insisted the trial is a political spectacle rather than a lawful judicial process. They said it violates the fundamental right to a fair hearing by trying to force Kanu to defend himself against charges that have no legal basis. The statement also criticized the court's reported plan to give judgment without hearing final addresses from both parties, calling it unprecedented and a breach of a due process. IPOB urged all Nigerians to know their constitutional rights and demand transparency and justice.